Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jordy from Negestyle. This video is for my men. Listen, sometimes you buy your suits and the pants. The suit is okay because of your shoulder, broad shoulder, and the pants is too big. The waistline is too big. So today alteration is a perfect waistband alteration. That's the back and that's the front. The first thing you need to do is to take your waistline measurement. Men waistline measurement is not like women. It's loose. It has to be very loose because they put belts. They like to be comfortable. Women, we like the discomfort. We like to be well fitted. So that's how you take the measurement. So next thing, you have to locate where the alteration will be done, where you have to take it in. You don't take it in on the side because the side of the waistband has no stitch. I will avoid that because it's going to be a lot of work to create a stitch or whatever. I have to open the band or stuff like that. But in the center, there's already a stitch connecting the band to the pant. So that's a perfect place for the alteration. As you can see, I had altered this pants before. It was big, I make it bigger, smaller, sorry. Now I'm doing the same thing again. I'm making it again smaller. It's the same way around, either big or small. That's where you do the alteration. So the first thing I'm doing, I'm going to open out the stitch. It was hand stitch over there to hold the band to the pant. I'm opening that using my scissors, my blade, whatever you're comfortable with, to take out the stitches that was handmade to hold the band together. Take that out first. Alright, I'm measuring the waistline. No, let's say the waistline is 17 and a half inch. Are you trying to take it down or take it up? Let's say 17 inch. I'm trying to take it down to 15 inch. I'm trying to take out 2 inches or 1.5 inch. Either ways. Listen, the principle is the same. Whatever I'm trying to take out, let's say the waistline is, when I fold it by 2 like this, is 17 inch. I'm trying to put it down to 15 inch or 15.5 inch. So I have to take out 1.5 inch or 2 inch. Either way, after you take your measurement, you know, as I started in the beginning, I show you how to take your measurements. You're going to take that measurement and size your pants either down or up. So the measurement I'm trying to take out, let's say if it's 1 inch, it's 1.5 inches, 2 inch. Let's say it's 2 inch I'm trying to take out. Make it smaller by 2 inch. So I'll divide 2 inch by 2. That's 1 inch. So after I fold, as you see, I'm taking out 1 inch. So 1 inch this way and 1 inch the other way will give my total of 2 inch that I'm taking out. Because remember, it's folded. So this is twice. Whatever I'm doing will be times 2. So I'm taking out 1 inch to make it 2 inch. 1 inch on this side and 1 inch on the other side. The total that I'm going to take out is 2 inch. Let's say you want to work on centimeters. Some people are more comfortable with centimeters. I'm trying to take out 4 centimeter. I'm trying to take out 4 centimeter. So what I'm going to do is 4 centimeter divided by 2 is 2 centimeters. So I'm measuring 2 centimeters right there. I mark my 2 centimeters measurement. I'm drawing a line, as you see, on the waistband. You see what the waistband is? It has like a grayish color. That's the waistband onto the end of the stitch. Whatever measurement I'm using, 2 centimeter, I have to take straight line. It has to be straight. 2 centimeter on the waistline. It can be, I can take no shape on that. It has to be a straight line of 2 centimeter. What I'm taking after where the waistline ends down, now I can start giving it that shape to connect the stitch. So I'm just drawing the line to show you so you can understand where you have to do the stitches. I'm not doing the actual stitches. I'm just showing you tricks or method how to alter your pants. We're not doing the actual stitches. I'm just showing you guys. So this is where your stitches will be. Remember, a straight line on the waistband, 2 centimeters, straight line sewing. After the end of my waistline, now I can start sewing it, going like taking it like a triangle, half triangle, to connect to the stitch line. You have to make sure you do your back stitch very firm at the top and at the bottom when it meets the stitch. And then I'm going to open up the whole line, open up the line and press it open. After I iron it open, fold it back and do the stitches. That's it. The same thing if I wanted to add the pants, let's say by 2 inch or by 4 inch. Instead of sewing inside, I'll sew outside because I'm adding. That's the principle. So you stitch, hand stitch, you put the hand stitch back, and that's it. Voila. Again, one more time. Let's say the pant is big. I'm trying to take it from one size to another size. Maybe 1 inch. Sizes differ by inches. 1 inch from one size to the other one. So I'm taking it 2 size down. Let's say 2 size down or 1 size down. So whatever measurement my waistline is, I'm gonna divide that by 2. Whatever measurement the waistline is after I fold it, I'm gonna divide that by 2, the measurement I want to take out, and I'm drawing a straight line on the waist and I'm stitching like that. Follow my pin line. That's my pin direction. That's why I'm stitching. Same way if I wanted to add it, I'm stitching on the other side on the sewing allowance to add inside the sewing allowance to reduce the pant, and open the old stitch and iron it flat. If it's too big, let's say I'm reducing it, if you feel like it's too big to fold inside, you cut it out. Knowing you don't have to put on weight, that's it. You cut it out and fold it the same way it was folded, and voila. And do your hand stitches here, the same hand stitch you took out to start doing your alteration. You can hand sew or you can machine sew it, depending on whatever you could do, whatever you're comfortable with or whatever you know how to do. Your wife could do it for you, or you could do it yourself, like whatever works for you. Again, you don't have to hand sew it. You could use the easy hem, apply it right there and press very high heat iron, and that's it. You don't have to hand stitch, but you definitely have to hand stitch or machine stitch the sewing line to add it on or to reduce it. So that's about it. Some few tricks and method to size up or size down your pants. I hope this was very helpful, this video, and if it was helpful, please make sure you share, comment and like and subscribe to my channel. Catch you on the next one.